he's not going to play it. Especially as he's got a tournament in 2 days in Madrid. Hey, Annika. How are you? Thank you for the 29-month Prime. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's like CSGO. I don't know, people say CSGO. I don't know whether it's more similar to CSGO or more similar to Valorant. We're doing well on heals. We've been so busy. Yeah, it makes 2 of us actually. There's no... Okay, where's that? We need wood. What happened with FNCS? We did okay actually. We got 166 points. Not enough to get us to Div 2, but it was okay actually. I thought it might reach. And if you don't give any more fire or anything, I'm going to be really annoyed. Okay, we've got a flopper. Yeah, we played with 30 in the end. Oh, that's good. I don't know. Well, it's worth coming